Hello Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekly reading for Sun, Moon and Rising in Capricorn from April 19th to 25th. So Capricorns, it's like a fun time for you right now. Lot of actions in your 5th house, and Mars is entering Cancer, which is your 7th house, in a few days time on Friday. Okay, so it's all about 5 and 7, so you could be attracting a potential partner, or you could be having a lot of good times with your spouse, or if you're already married, or if you're already in a commitment. Okay, this is an awesome time to rekindle the romance and get in touch with people. And also if you're trying to start a new creative project or trying to expand your creativeness, and especially when there's a lot of this Mars, Sun, Mercury in Taurus and Cancer, all these minor planets are fast changes, right? They just come, they stay there in one energy for 2 or 3 weeks, and immediately they move on. So that is why. But Capricorns is all about being pragmatic and steadfast, right? You're stubborn, you don't like change, but this time be open to change. Okay, with 5 and 7 and a lot of planets there, okay, you could be having a lot of plans that are changing, and you need to adjust, and you need to be tolerant right now, Capricorns. Okay, you need to be tolerant to energies that you're attracting right now. And also with the 7th house, with Mars there, you could have a lot of, if you're married or if you're in a relationship, you could have a lot of emotional arguments, fights, and your partner could be asking for a lot of emotional support right now, and you are not that much emotional, or you could be clinging to them, or they could be clinging to you, and you could be finding it very difficult to understand their mood swings, and also you could have some kind of passive aggressive energy also. So try to be a little more tolerant with people you are in love with, or you're living together, or your family. Okay, that is the right thing to do at this time, Capricorn. I'm using the Lenormand here for the overall energy for the week here. Okay, and I'm using the Gilded for a 9 card spread here. There's no reversals in this deck, and I'll be clarifying with the Everyday Tarot here. Okay, there's reversals in that deck. Okay, Capricorns, Sun, Moon and Rising. Capricorns, Sun, Moon and Rising. Okay, and the man here. Okay, Scorpio had this energy here. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, need not be. 10 of Swords here. Okay, something at a distance. There could be a lot of online communications. Okay, there could be something back and forth energies that you're dealing with, or there could be some kind of betrayal that happened here, and things are up in the air right now for you, Capricorn. So let's see. Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. One more. This did not shuffle properly. One more. Yeah. Okay. Ace of Swords is the overall energy for you. Three of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, Ace of Cups. Okay, through 2 aces here, 5 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles and Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. Okay, there could be arguments over new love, or you could be getting clarity about a spiritual awakening here. This could be at work. You could be having a lot of arguments or inner conflict about building something. There could be some building blocks for you right now, Capricorn. Okay, starting something new, starting trouble. Okay, you're in some kind of starting trouble here. So let's see, Capricorn. 6 of Swords, beautiful. 7 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, oh, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. You have all the aces here, beautiful. 5 of Swords, 8 of Swords, Hangman reverse, 5 of Cups, 2 5s here. Okay, I have the Hermit, the 6 of Cups, the Fool card, and the Lovers. Okay, I think okay, there's only one code card here. Okay, Saj had a lot of code cards, so it's easy to work with one code cards than a million of them. Okay, Capricorn. Currently you're stuck on this new beginning. Yeah, starting trouble. Definitely stuck on a new beginning. With Ace of Swords here as the overall energy, you're finding the truth. You found the truth, but you're not ready to accept it. Ace of Swords, when it is in reverse, I love the card. This card, especially in reverse. Can you see the knife? It's cutting out, right? You have cut out, or you're cutting out people, or you have already cut out, and people have cut you out. It could be anything, and that's the truth. That's the damn truth, and you know it, but you're not ready to accept it because you are afraid of moving on to new better things in your life. Come on, Capris. With 5th and 7th house, if a relationship is not working, this is an awesome time for you to attract new people into your life. If a career or a job is not doing that well, this is an awesome time to look for a new job. Okay. And especially for me, this is not a career reading. This is mostly a love or a personal transformation. That's what I'm getting. You are ready for the new thing, but yet you are not ready yet. That's the getting. It's like, okay, I'm having all the thing. Okay, I understand. Okay, this happened. I have to do this. I have to do that. Oh God, I can't do it. Why did it happen before? I was not able to do that. Then how can I do it now? That's the energy. There's a lot of nervousness here with the Capricorn energy. Okay, you're worried about what you lost more than what you can gain right now. Maybe God is giving you something that's concrete in your life right now. It's already in your thing. Okay, Capricorns. Capricorns can be the sign which always looks into the past. Okay, the of all the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorns, the person who is not ready to accept change is Capricorns. Okay, they cannot accept change. Okay, they will do the same thing a million times and they will not get bored of it, but instead of choosing a new thing, instead of doing a new routine, doing something, a new person, a new job, nope, they can stick to this same thing. And sometimes is okay when there needs to be devotion, commitment and dedication to one thing, because you know hard work pays. But sometimes it's stupidity to stick to situations that are dead end. It's a dead horse. You're beating the dead horse. Okay, I know it's difficult for Capricorns to let go and focus on the new things when it is already in your life right now. You have to come out of this stuck energy. The 6 of Swords and the 8 of Swords here, the Hanging Man reversed. You're still, there's a grief energy here. Someone is stuck up on the grief. Oh, I had it, or I could have had it, or can I change it? Can I fix it? Can I go back? Can I do something in a different way? No, Capricorn, ditch the whole thing and start new. 6 of Swords. The Fool card in reverse and the King of Swords reversed. 7 of Wands. Ace of Cups. You have another ace here. You're blocking out new love, you're blocking out relationships or potential for new things. Page of Pentacles or the Ace of Pentacles. You want to go back to again. Queen of Pentacles and Emperor. Oh my goodness. Ace of Wands and the 8 of Pentacles. You want to work on the relationship. You want to do it again. 5 of Swords and the 9 of Cups reverse. Yep. You don't care. You just want to hurt the other person and do it. 8 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. Yep. Things are up in the air and yet you are not ready to let it go. Hangman reversed. Lovers reversed. Oh God. 5 of Cups here. Page of Swords. Okay. Come on. The Devil in reverse. That's you, Capricorn. Can you see the card? The Devil in reverse. The Tower in reverse. Clinging. Wow, the world. Just look at the majors here. Oh my goodness. The Temperance reversed. The 6 of Swords reversed. The Queen of Pentacles. I cannot make this up. Just look at the majors here. The Devil reversed. The Tower reversed. The World reversed. The Temperance reversed. The 6 of Swords reversed. And the Queen of Pentacles upright. How long are you going to cling on to this energy here? How long are you going to spy on this person? How long are you going to take to end this chapter, end this fucking something that is really, really harsh? This cycle needs to end, okay? But you just want to go fix it. You want to go fix it. You want to put in the energy. You want to go in the same hamster wheel because I was stable there. I was getting something out of it. Yep, you are. Stop being a doormat, Capricorns. Stop being a doormat here, especially to a man that is not giving you anything. Just because you're committed, just because you have a stable relationship with them, just because they are giving you financially or supporting you financially, even there is no love there, okay? You're trying to stick here because you're afraid of moving on. Clarify the Page of Pentacles. Clarify the Page of Pentacles. Ace of Swords again. Four of Wands. Four of Cups reversed. Okay. Someone is trying to go back to the... Yeah, you're trying to... I've got all the going back energies here. Okay, clarify the Nine of Cups reversed. Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse? Someone is treating you poorly, Capricorn. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Yep. And yet you are trying to not move on. You're trying to go back. You're trying to fix this situation. The Page of Swords. What's this spying on? Queen of Swords. See, there's a King of Swords here, Queen of Swords here. Okay. Clarify the Emperor here. The World reversed. Yes. Okay. What's the Eight of Pentacles? Ten of Cups in reverse. Ace of Cups. Justice. The Lovers in reverse. Six of Wands. Eight of Wands. Magician. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go with two energies here. Capricorn men. Okay. You know, there's a new love that's out there for you, a new life, a new person, but still you're clinging on to a person that could be, you could manipulate, you could control, or they could be a doormat to you, and you still want to keep working on this relationship with absolutely nothing in return for you, only because you want to have your pride and ego intact. You do not want this relationship to be a failure, so you keep continuing putting energy into this and doing it again and again and hurting them, they are hurting you, but you both are not moving on, okay? You do not want the cycle to end, okay? And Capricorn woman, you're letting this person take advantage of you. You're trying to, they could be manipulating you, or they could be ill-treating you, and still you're trying to go back and do it because you are stuck up on your ego too. This is an ego battle. Absolutely an ego battle where both the parties are manipulating it, especially if you are committed or you're going through a divorce, because with the King of Swords reverse and the Queen of Swords here, this could be a diverse couple here, okay? And there's still some grief here, okay? The problem here is on the Seven of Wands and the Ace of Cups and the Justice, okay? Capricorns, if you're getting a new opportunity, it is karmically given to you, okay? You're not supposed to put up with this old person because the situation is not fair, okay? You going and hurting them, they coming and hurting you. You're not allowing this person to move on because you are jealous of them moving on to another person and committing to them, or this person is doing that to you because they do not want you to see happy with someone else, okay? This is something that is unfair to both of you, and justice and the universe is trying to bring in some spiritual awakening and something that's karmically bound here, okay? I think with the Five of Swords and Five of Cups is one person is still finding this breakup difficult to handle because they know the other person will move on and commit, or they will move on and have a relationship with another person. That is something that is triggering this person to keep trying to this to keep this person here. Okay, with only the Queen of Pentacles on the Emperor and the World reverses, I think the woman is trying too hard here. Capricorn, I don't know if it's your energy. The woman is trying to do this to keep this relationship intact because they are jealous of this person moving away and committing to another person here. Okay. Capricorn singles, if you're absolutely single, you're not going through a divorce, you're not going through a relationship breakup, you're not having any kind of legal issues here, you're absolutely free. Okay, there's a new love that could enter into your life, and it could be something that you are not aware of. Okay, this could happen suddenly for you. Okay, and it will happen to you where you will feel, it could happen to you where you could feel that this is something that is triggered based on your expectations. Okay, that is something that is happening because you wanted it to happen. And with the Eight of Wands here and the Eight of Swords here, okay, this is Capricorn, if you're stuck up on getting back your ex and not going after the new, stop doing it. Okay, you cannot manipulate someone to be in a relationship or not be in a relationship. Okay, and if you're trying to get a commitment out of this new love immediately, it's not gonna happen. Okay, and do not try to manipulate this new person to be like your ex. It's not gonna happen. And right now, if you're heavily focused on your ex here, Capricorn, you need to move on before going after this new person here. Okay, or allowing this person to enter into your life. And Capricorns that going through a split here, stop trying too hard. Okay, stop trying too hard, especially when you know that this is something that has gone out of hand for you. You can take even 10 years with the same person and you would miss out on being with your true love. You can, Capricorn. Okay, when there's no love in this relationship and only you're hurting and you're staying there because you committed or you're together because you are comfortable there, you can be in your comfort zone for 10 years and miss out on the love of your life. That's what I'm getting here. And Capricorn, if you're absolutely ready to move on, let the other person move too. And there's definitely 4 aces here. Okay, I'm not kidding. Seriously, I'm not kidding. If this has been something that you need to end and you know it needs to end, kindly end it, because universe is trying to bring something new into your life. You cannot have the old and the new at the same time. Okay, it cannot happen. Only when you end the old, there could be something that's new here. And for every end, there's a pause. If you do not want to be in the pause, if you're afraid of being alone, oh my goodness, I don't want to give that reading here. If you're afraid of being alone, or if you cannot be without talking to a person even for one day, you are seriously in trouble. You need to go through a physical and personal transformation. Okay, mentally, spiritually. Okay, you are not indebted to anybody here. Okay, you cannot be even one day without talking to this person. You're gonna be, you can stay with this person forever and be in this toxic cycle. Nobody is gonna care. Okay, the universe will not even care. Okay, because you are choosing to be. But I don't think with the Hangman reverse, one person has let go. It could be you, Capricorn, it could be another person, but I don't think it's the other person. I think it's the other person, because one person here is still stuck on their ex. Okay, so get rid of the hurt, get rid of the pain, heal yourself and go after the new things. With 4 aces here, with the Ace of Swords here, there's nothing more bigger than the truth. You know the truth. Stop being delusional and move on to new things in your life, Capricorn. Thank you.